solve a radical equation, we need to first get a radical by itself, and then we can square it to get rid of that radical. So we're just going to add this term over so it's not negative. That's going to give me the absolute, or the square root of 7x plus 2 equals 6 plus 3x plus 6. Now I can square this to get rid of that radical. Okay, I'm going to get 7x plus 2. Here, I'm going to get, if I were to multiply this out, I get this thing times itself is going to be 36. 2 times this. If you just multiply it out, you're going to see what I get, but it's going to get 12 3x plus 6. And then this thing squared is 3x plus 6. Okay, now I can combine like terms and move all this stuff over to this side. So I'm going to 36 and 6 is 42 plus 3x plus 12. I'm going to subtract the 42 over and subtract the 3. It's going to give me 4x minus 40 equals 12, the square root of 3x plus 6. Okay, now I could divide the 12 over, but I'm actually going to leave it because if I divide the 12 over, it's not going to be a perfect number. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to square everything. Okay, so on this side, I have to expand this whole thing out as 4x minus 40 times 4x minus 40. That's going to give me 16x squared. Let's see, 4 times 40 is negative 60 times 2 is negative 320x. Negative 40 times negative 40 is positive 1600. 12 squared is 144. And 3x plus 6 squared is just 3x plus 6. All right, it's a lot of stuff that I have to simplify here, and the numbers are quite large. Let's see if I can divide anything out to make it simpler. I can divide everything by 2 for sure. It's going to give me 8x squared minus 160x plus 800 equals 72. I can divide out another 2. Can I divide out 4 from this? Yeah, I can divide out 4 from this. Can I divide an 8 from it? I think I can divide an 8 from everything. So I'm going to divide everything by 8. So give me 20x plus 100 equals 9 3x plus 6. Okay, so now let's simplify the statement down by expanding this and then moving everything over. So we're going to get x squared minus 20x plus 100 equals 27x plus 54. Subtract 27, subtract 54. I get x squared minus 47x plus 46. And now I can use the AC method to solve this. This one actually ends up being easy because a is 1. 1 times 46 is 46, and b is 47. Two numbers that multiply to give 46, add to give negative 47 is negative 1, negative 46. Since a is 1 here, I can immediately factor this down into x minus 1, x minus 46. This is only true if x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 46 equals 0. So x equals 1, x equals 46 are my solutions. Now, whenever you solve a radical like this in this process, you typically get an extraneous solution, one that's actually false. So you have to test the answers. Let's test 1 into here. You plug 1 into here, you're going to get 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So we're going to get 3 here. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 6 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. And 3 minus 3 does not equal 6. So we know that that cannot be a valid solution. Okay, let's just test 46. 7 times 46, I have to do that calculator. 322 plus 2 is 324. And the square root of 324 is 18. So this is 18. 3 times 46. 3 times 46 is 138. And then we add on 6 onto that. It's going to be 144. The square root of 144 is 12. And 18 minus 12 does give us 6. So x equaled 46 is our only solution.